Hello friends, in this video we will replace 7 basic words with advanced one. Let's get started with the first one. First is prominent. Basic words of prominent is famous, noticeable, easily seen. In Hindi, प्रसिद्ध और विख्यात. So we will replace these basic words with this advanced one, which is prominent. Let's see the example. There are many prominent places in Bihar. Second example is MS Dhoni is a prominent cricket player. Second is courteous. Courteous is an advanced word, and polite, well-mannered. These are basic words. In Hindi, we can say vinamr. So, we will replace polite and well-mannered with the courteous, with the word courteous. For example, he is a courteous man. Now, the third one is marathon. Marathon is an advanced word and basic word is very long. In Hindi, बहुत लंबा. For example, it was a marathon video. Second example is it was a marathon talk with my best friend. I hope you all are getting my points. Now, the fourth word is challenging. Challenging means very difficult. So very difficult is a basic word. We can replace very difficult with challenging and complicated. Complicated is also an advanced word. In Hindi, we says चुनौतीपूर्ण and बहुत कठिन. For example, the dancing competition was challenging for me. Fifth word is parched. Parched means very thirsty. Very thirsty is a basic word and we will replace very thirsty with parched. In Hindi, we says प्यासा. For example, after a marathon exercise, I was parched. Now, the sixth word is diligent. Diligent means laborious, hardworking. In Hindi, parishrami, mehnati. For example, Ram is the most diligent boy in his class. Second example is the workers are diligent. Seventh word is tendency. Habit. Habit is a basic word. We will replace this word with the word tendency. In Hindi, we says adat or pravritti. For example, telling a lie has become his tendency. I hope you must have learned something from this video, and do like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks for watching.